Hello and welcome back to our Codecademy JavaScript course. This is variables. In programming, a variable is a container for a value. You can think of variables as little containers for information that live in a computer's memory. Information stored in variables, such as a username, account number, or even personalized greeting, can be found in memory. Variables also provide a way of labeling data with a descriptive name so our programs can be understood more clearly by the reader and ourselves. In short, variables label and store data in memory. There are only a few things you can do with variables. 1. Create a variable with a descriptive name. 2. Store or update information stored in a variable. And 3. Reference or get information stored in a variable. It's important to distinguish that variables are not values. They contain values and represent them with a name. Observe the diagram with the colored boxes. Each box represents variables. The values are represented by the content, and the name is represented with a label. In this lesson, we will cover how to use the var, let, and const keywords to create variables. Instructions: when you're ready, go to the next exercise. So here in the next 10 lessons, we're going to be just looking at variables and how they work. And that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.